How to generate flashcards from PDF with AI. First of all, open the Knowt app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. From the Create menu, choose Upload a file. This will allow you to upload your PDF document directly into the app. Once your PDF is uploaded, the AI summarizer screen will appear. Under What should we create, select Flashcards. Then give your set a title, choose the language, and adjust the settings such as how detailed you want the content to be, the structure format, and the page range you would like the AI to process. Now tap Continue, and the AI will analyze the PDF to automatically generate flashcards based on the material. When the flashcards are ready, you can review them, edit any details, and organize them into sets. This way, you will have personalized AI-generated flashcards from your PDF without writing them out manually. Now you know how to generate flashcards from PDF with AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.